ASUS ScreenPad is the revolutionary new way to interact with your laptop. Simply press F6 to switch between the three different modes: ScreenPad, Touchpad, and Extender. ScreenPad mode provides an interactive display with helpful functions that intelligently adapt to match whatever you're doing, making it easier and quicker to multitask and get things done. Extender mode gives you a dual display in one device. Use it to keep an eye on your social media or email, or as a handy preview screen. Touchpad mode gives you standard touchpad capabilities for your regular workflow. To get started with ScreenPad mode, swipe down from the top of ScreenPad to show the ScreenPad toolbar. Tap any ScreenPad app icon on the ScreenPad toolbar to launch the app. ScreenPad apps run in ScreenPad. Make quick work of those numbers with the handy Calculator app. Or check your Windows calendar schedule at a glance in the Calendar app. The Music app lets you play your favorite tracks in ScreenPad while you're working on other tasks. ScreenPad also works with third-party apps such as YouTube and Spotify. Launcher is a ScreenPad app that gives you instant and customizable access to your Windows apps. Unlike ScreenPad toolbar, when you tap an app icon in Launcher, the Windows app launches on the main screen. You can tap the Edit icon to personalize the Launcher app list. You'll see the list of apps appear. Just tap an item in the list to add or remove it from Launcher. ScreenPad's adaptive design lets you work easier and more efficiently with Microsoft Office. For example, simply launch PowerPoint on the main screen and the adaptive functions will appear on ScreenPad. Enjoy fingertip control for features such as text size, fill colors, presentation mode, and more. It's easy to customize your tool options for Office apps in the Settings panel. In ScreenPad Settings, you can adjust the brightness of ScreenPad or use any image on your laptop as the ScreenPad background. ScreenPad apps can be used in several different ways. For example, ASUS Sync integrates with smartphones, so you can receive notifications, mirror the screen, and collaborate with the laptop screen and keyboard. Or you can input handwritten text or even signatures in an intuitive way. Check for great apps and features in the Windows Store by opening the Settings panel and clicking Get More Apps. ScreenPad apps can be downloaded and installed just like an ordinary Windows app. New ScreenPad apps are automatically added to the toolbar. Discover a world of endless possibilities with ScreenPad.